He is incompetent, incumbent to be in charge of BC. That is why we don't want him. So we want to remove him. And he produced a fear psychosis among the student fraternity. And he is not accessible easily inside the Manipur University. And he is boosting, and there are many allegations. Even his wife has a close connection with the RSS and the BJP. And he is boosting the same thing inside the Manipur University. And another issue inside the Manipur University is we have it is a militarized zone. Militarized fear psychosis does not give intellectual faculty to the students to grow up an intellectual faculty, to bring up a discourse, social discourse, that how we live and everything. And everything what we do is censored and under the surveillance, and is reported intelligently to the central government. It is just like occupation.
The examination has not been conducted, and lots of examination which has already been conducted, the reasons are not declared yet.
This is Yaol Ne Aifare means revolution, else means Inkilab Zindabad. In Manipur, we have a ethnic community which is minority, Pangals, adherents of Islam religion. So by seeing these communal lines, the government of Manipur, BJP, a newly formed Manipur government, BJP government, is trying to divide among the communities by evicting 75 families without giving any more time to defend themselves legally. And they are giving only two days, and deploying 2,500 police, and they are evicting 75 families, and they are not rehabilitating the 75 families, and they are myriad now.
The people of the villages who suffer a lot due to the eviction, because if they don't have any chance to take out even their basic necessities from their houses, but they suffer a lot due to the eviction.
A part of the valley has been given to Myanmar, and due to the India's silence. And after that, our border pillar, our international border pillar, has been shifted to Manipur 3 kilometers by the Myanmar. And still India is silent, and India is denying the fact that Myanmar is coming inside Manipur territory and installing a border pillar there.
उन लोग ने 3 किलोमीटर के अंदर आके पिलर बनाया, और अभी सिर्फ जम्मू का आवाज़ है, मणिपुर का आवाज़ क्यों नहीं सुनेगा? ये आवाज़ हम नेशनल लेवल में उठाना है, क्योंकि वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं करता है, नेशनल लेवल का न्यूज़ भी नहीं है, पूरा लोकल न्यूज़ में सब मणिपुर में फंस गया। इसलिए हम यहाँ नेशनल कैपिटल में हमारा जो मणिपुर से पढ़ाई करने के लिए लोग आया है, ये आवाज़ उठा रहा है कि सिर्फ कश्मीर के लिए हिफाजत रखना है कि मणिपुर की नहीं रखना है, ये क्वेश्चन पूछना है।